please click on subscribe and bell button.
Hi, my name is Rakshan. Today we will unbox Tagg smartwatch. So let's start. So this is the post I received from Tagg because of the delay. So if you see, it says, "We are grateful that you choose Tagg and please accept our sincere apologies." This is because it took some time for them to ship the watch, and as a kind gesture they have sent this post along with the watch. Okay, so this is how the box looks like. Tagg Verve. Okay, and on the side, if you see, these are some of the functions it has. Okay, let's see on the other side. This is how the box looks. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, so this is the watch and the strap. It has only one strap, black color. So this is the watch. This is how it looks like. Okay, and it has one strap, one black strap. I like black, so I choose black. There are other colors also, and this is how the strap looks like. Okay, it also has a USB charger. This is how it looks like. Okay, and a user manual. Okay, and it also has a voucher. Get reward worth 9,500 by scanning this in their website. So I need to explore this. Okay, so this is all what I had in the box. This watch is 1.4 inches, IPS screen, colored LCD, full touch panel, IP68 waterproof, Bluetooth version 5.0, battery life of 170 mAh, power input of 5V, weight of 40 grams. Okay, to speak about the features of this watch, it has main interface design, pedometer, sleeping monitor, heart rate monitor. It has different sports mode. It has breath monitor, blood oxygen monitor, weather forecast, music control, and camera control. Okay, so this is how the watch overall looks like. And now to speak about the cost. On the box, if you see, the price mentioned is 5,999 rupees, but actually I paid 2,500 for this Tagg Verve smartwatch. Tagg Verve smartwatch, and with these many features, I think 2,500 is worth it.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you guys.